Good morning, good afternoon to all my amazing people out there. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to focus on client side versus server side development overview. But before I can go in, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and do follow me on TikTok. Let's go in and learn something interesting, something useful. Let's talk about client side versus server side development. Some developers, called full stack developers, know how to use client side and server side development, as they are both important for making websites and applications work properly. There are some key differences between client side and server side development, including where code runs. One major difference between client side and server side development is where code runs. In client side development, the code runs on the client's or user's device. In server side development, the code runs through a server. Alright. Second difference is scripting. The way scripts run is another difference between client side and server side development. In client side scripting, scripts simply run on a device. Often, client side scripts run in a browser. In contrast, the server side scripts run on a web server. Alright. Focus. Typically, client side development is user focused, while server side development occurs where users cannot see it. Client side developers focus on creating the parts of a website or application that users can view, such as visual design elements and web page layouts. Server side developers focus on more hidden components, such as how an application transmits data to a server. Client side code is often visible to the user, while server side code is invisible. Alright. The fourth difference is purpose. Client side and server side development also have different purposes. The primary goal of client side development is to create visual effects and elements for websites, including layouts and user interfaces. Server side development focuses on the actual content of a web page, involving tasks like interacting with databases and retrieving information from a web server. Alright. Number fifth difference, user input. And other difference between client side and server side development is how they handle user input. Client side development gathers input from users. For example, developers can use JavaScript to create forms that collect user input, right? When we try to submit a form, when we try to sign up, that's how client side work. Meanwhile, server side development processes that input. For examples, developers can use PHP to connect a database to a website and send user inputted data to the database. In this way, client side and server side programs can work together. Alright, let's move further. Number 6 is security. Client side and server side programs also have different levels of security. Client side programs tend to be less secure as users are often able to see and interact with them. Server side programs often have higher levels of security than client side programs because users cannot see or interact with server side source code. Alright, that's all in this video. I hope you guys learned the differences between client side and server side. That's all in this video. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and do follow me on TikTok. I will then see you guys in the next video. Till that, you guys have a blessed day.